Hello friends, very good morning. Myself Bala here. I'm SEBI certified research analyst. I'm welcome you all to my YouTube channel Talent Traders. Those who are new to my channel, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel to get more update on intraday and positional trading strategies. This video I'm going to discuss about a powerful 2-day reversal candlesticks pattern that was happening at the day's low or even a monthly low. So that will give you such a powerful breakout entry that I'm going to focus here. And this will not happen regularly, but if you are focusing the stocks many on future stocks, so you will be getting 4 5 in a monthly basis. That was giving you such a great opportunity where we are going to take a trade at the lowest level or highest level. That I'm going to discuss video in this video. So if you are new, just subscribe and watch my video full to understand what the strategy we are going to discuss here. So can you able to see that the candlesticks pattern where it is marked by the P? So this is nothing but, so we are going to make here the candlestick pattern is nothing but piercing line. So that is what a 2 days bullish reversal. 2 days candlesticks pattern we are going to focus for a bullish kind of reversal pattern. So that exactly we are going to create a code in the charting and we are going to find out those stocks which forms. So there is a candlestick which forms at this bottom when the market is broke about 840, it moves towards 1060. So that is the power of the candle where it is forms the lowest level of the day or a month. So that will give you such a great opportunity. So let's show you how the candlesticks it and we'll Google it and piercing line candlesticks pattern. So let's look at this is exactly the piercing line candlesticks pattern. And you study about that the previous candle should be bearish candle and the next day the candle should be bullish candle and it should be open below the close of the previous day candle. So then it is rallied over the 50 percentage of the body of the first day, that is the red candle. So that forms a candlesticks pattern, 2 days reversal candlesticks pattern, that is but the piercing line pattern. So it is opposite to dark cloud cover, so where we are going to take that piercing line, so that will work such a great in intraday trade or even positional trade. So let's say here first candle should be red and second candle should be green and bullish, both candles should be big and green candle opens below red candle. So can you able to see that? And green candle closes slightly below the top of the red candle, or we will go for a 50% above that first candle. That is what the red candle that I'm going to create a code that is a passing line, so where we can try to find out a bottom or a top reversal that will give you such a great opportunity, right? So this is what a 2 days reversal candlesticks pattern. So we are going to create it right now. So let's go for a create in charting. And what we are going to discuss about in futures, we are going to create a scan. The first day should be red, right? So the open price of the 1 day ago must be greater than the close of 1 day ago. So because this is what a red candle, so where we are focusing, the first candle should be red, so it will plot a red candle, right? And the second day open, okay, so the second day, that is the next day, that is the latest open, is less than we will make low as well as the close price of that particular candle, right? So let's do with the close price less than the close price of 1 day ago, right? Because today's open must be less than the 1 day ago close price, that must open below the red candle, right? So that we have done. And today's close, that is latest close, right? So that should be greater than the 50% of the body, right? So let's we add that. We'll open bracket here. We will do the close price, that is 1 day ago close price, got it? And we have add by that open price. So we are adding the open and closing price of the last day, that is what 1 day ago. So we are multiplied by, or sorry, we are going to divide by, so because we are going to take a 50% above the body, so we'll go for number 2. So this will flatter the candle where it is closed greater than the first day's body above the 50%, right? So let's scan whether it is working or not. So we have lot of stocks. So we'll take that Godrej Properties, so M&M and Muthoot Finance. So let's check it out. Real market again, the M&M Finance. But we are focusing M&M, not finance. M&M, whether it is forming such a kind of great candlesticks pattern on daily. So let's go for a daily recent one. Yes. So here can you able to see that the first candle should be the red, and second candle, that low, the close of the stock is 770. The next day it is, that is today it opened by 771. So 772 close, and today opened by previous day close. Okay, and now it is rallied over 50% of the body. So that exactly find out here the piercing line, which is forms exactly the piercing lines, and previous piercing line this one, and the body should be big candle, should be the big candle. Okay, because the seller in control previous candle and it is open below that level, so it is in seller control, but immediately the buyer take action, the price moves towards the 50% of the body. That will give you the sentiment where changed from the seller towards the buyer. So that is the idea where we are going to plan this piercing candles. Okay, here instead of that, that is a good. Instead of that, so where we are making the close should be the 1 day ago low. So even more power on that. So the today should be the gap down from previous. So we find out if we are making that candlesticks pattern where the stock opened below previous day low. So even we have filter out lot more candle. If you are taking a close, so we have many stocks, right? Almost 10 stocks we find out, like a Bank Nifty, Kotak Mahindra Bank. So a lot of stocks. So what I'm going to do here, if this tomorrow's close, sorry, today's open must be below the yesterday's low. That is what a technical gap down where it is happened, and the stock is, instead of moving down, it has started moving higher. So we have find out some small stock: Muthoot Finance, Tata Chemicals, Kotak, and Bank. Let's take with that Muthoot Finance. So where we are going to get, let's see. So this is the one where we are going to find out. So there is a exact piercing candle. So when the market is closed exactly the same pattern, this should be a great piercing line pattern, right? When this kind of pattern is forms, whether we are going to take a bullish kind of reversal where the market is starting down, so there is a reversal pattern. So we are finding out this point, so we will go for a buy above that level. So that is the main idea we are discussing here right now. So we find out some small thing, and another important, so we are going to make this one by making with the latest low. The latest low should be um, equals, because we are going to find out those stock which forms a low of monthly, because we are using the daily candle, so monthly low we are going to focus. Any stocks which forms this kind of pattern, that is a piercing line kind candlesticks daily, which is forms at a lower level of the month, so we are going to follow as a bullish reversal with the day low level. So let's scan to backtest this. So what exactly that is? Piercing line daily candlesticks. So we are going to take and we'll get a backtest. And you see that on the 5th of August we have some stock on futures. So let's go for that Indus Tower on 5th August. Indus Tower. So when we make the close and you say this is the right one, so where there is a breakout at this point 216 and market moves towards 224 and the stop loss should be 194. This is a big stop loss, but there is a reversal at the bottom level. So where we are finding out the exact candlesticks pattern where it is forms at the monthly lowest level. So we can try to trade on this one. It will give you such a great lower level reversal. And other stocks, we have some two stocks on 3rd August. One is HDFC and Nestle. So let's go for a HDFC. It's a bank or HDFC. HDFC Bank. That is HDFC Bank. And we'll go for this one. I think 3rd August. So we find out bottom, the pacing towards even it is closed above that candle. So there is a good confirmation where that market is reversed from 1439. It went up to 1535. Almost 100 point. It moves somewhere around 1439. It now till 1560. That is a great move from the same stock, which is still it is rallying as per the lower level. And previous trend also you should remember the previous trend is down when the candlesticks pattern forms. So there is a reversal. So we are using that candlesticks as a reversal candlesticks pattern, right? The pacing line and Nestle. Then 3rd of August that is also forms. I think this one and opens below previous day low. Low is around 75, 70. So now this is also be good one. And whenever it broken that level of 18,370, now it is trading somewhere around 1,500 points up. So whether we can use this candlesticks pattern for a equity trading also or a swing trading. Before that we find out another pattern that is forms at here. That also that is working very well. So we are filtering out based on the monthly low, right? So that is why we got here. And previously we have some other stocks on this is what coming around July 7th. So we find out very less stocks. Instead of if you are making by close, so we have lot of stocks. So it may be confusing. So if you check that, we got a lot of stocks here. So recently August 13, we find out Torrent Pharma. Torrent Pharma, where it is forms daily chart of 13.8. Because previous close and below that opening and now it is moving. And some other stock. You understand what is Indus Tower? You understand what is going on. So when we are changing the closing or low, the same one, and previously we have lot more we got it, that is 26 July, and 2nd August we find out Chola Finance, Cholamandalam Finance, 2nd August must be this. So instead of making the close should be the open should be closed, so low should work very well, and we find out very minimum stock. Okay, so that we already saved it out, and we find out very minimum stock that was working, only 3 stocks which forms and more giving you such a great result, right? So now the same one we can make as a pacing line for a 15 minutes. Let's go for 15 minutes. And 15 minutes here we should take a previous candle because we are going to follow on the previous candle. So here everything was 15 minutes. So here we will day for a latest low, so the day low. Here close should be 15 minutes minus 1 candle and again 15 minutes minus 1. So if any kind of pattern which forms in intraday also, there is a good opportunity. This is what a double candlesticks reversal pattern. So here 15 minutes the minus 1 candle. Let's check it out, any stocks which forms recently. Now it is Infosys, and you check that previous, this is Infosys, I think around 12 o'clock right now. So some 3 stocks were forms that kind of pattern on 9:15. So we don't get any good opportunity, but because this is opening by previous day, right? So it will take a calculation by previous day candle. Let's say Kodak Bank 15 minutes, it will take a previous day candle 15 minutes, so it is not good. So let's see in 15 minutes time, right? So previous day, this is the 315 candle and it is open below that and it moves towards. So instead of taking that first 15 minutes candle, so or we will go for a close, find out intraday opportunities. Let's see, and we find out a lot more stocks now. 25th August, 245. This is what today at 9:15. Don't go for a 9:15. So here two stocks at 10:45. So Power Grid and REC Limited. Let's check Power Grid and REC Limited. So what it forms exactly on 15 minutes time frame. So this is what. This is a candlesticks pattern where market broke above that level of high. So we can go for that. Power Grid and then Power Grid. I think this one. So whenever it broke the high, so we may be going to take a trade. So there is no trade opportunity at right now. So but this candle will work even a positional, and recently some two stocks were now forming, it will be closed, and this is 9:15. So don't go for a 9:15 candle because it is calculated by the previous day 3:15 candle. So don't go for that. Okay, so if you are making the low, so but intraday time frame the market should open up below previous day low, so that is not possible, right? So that is why we have some minimum, right? Only Infosys, think Infosys. So we will go for a close because red candle and then be green candle. So we will scale as a scan piercing line by 15 minutes. I hope you understand what we are discussing here. So when this kind of candlesticks pattern forms at a lower level and higher level, so there will be a good opportunity. But this is what the lower level candlesticks pattern where it is forms. So piercing line, when it is forms the same kind of pattern at a top of the market, so that is called as dark cloud cover. So I think we discussed about a dark cloud cover previously. So again we are going to create our next video. So I am planning to cover four different candlesticks patterns today. So then we are going to learn more strategies. And if you are new, just subscribe my YouTube channel to get more updates. Thank you for watching this, and thank you very much.